हमारे चैनल स्टडी विद द वर्ल्ड में स्वागत है। सो आज हम लर्न करेंगे इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर 2020 ऑफ द मार्च मंथ। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इन विच कंट्री विल द वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट सॉफ्ट टनल बी बिल्ट? द आंसर इज द नॉर्वे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हु हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट स्टेट टू हैव एथेनॉल पॉलिसी? द आंसर इज द बिहार। Question number 3, India and in which country a meeting of Permanent Indus Commission will be held in New Delhi regarding the sharing of Indus water? The answer is the Pakistan. Question number 4, which state chief minister has announced the establishment of 1 battalion PSC? The answer is the Uttar Pradesh. Question number 5, in which state has been linked to Delhi under Ek Bharat Shrashtra Bharat program? The answer is the Sikkim. Question number 6, which state government has increased the salary of employee by percentage? The answer is the Telangana. Question number 7, in which state will India's first chess academy build? The answer is the Odisha. Question number 8, the central government has reconstituted the advisory committee to study with mythical river in the next 2 years. The answer is the Saraswati. Who will be awarded the Vyas summary of 2020? The answer is the Professor Sharad Pagre. Question number 10, which Indian woman player has been ranked the first in the ICC T20 ranking? The answer is the Shefali Verma. Question number 11, G7 has refused to recognize criminal tribunal by which country? The answer is the Russia. Question number 12, Hero Motor Company has established its global headquarters to which place? The answer is the London. Question number 13, which country will propose legislation banning cryptocurrency? The answer is the India. इंडिया ने बैन कर दिया है क्रिप्टो करेंसी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, ट्राई टेलीकॉम रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया रिपोर्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू विच कंपनी इज द मोस्ट एक्टिव कंज्यूमर? सो एयरटेल इज द और जियो से भी ज़्यादा एयरटेल के सब्सक्राइबर है अभी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, विच कंट्री हैज़ टॉप द वर्ल्ड हैप्पीनेस रिपोर्ट 2021? तो फिनलैंड रैंक द फर्स्ट फॉर वर्ल्ड मोस्ट हैप्पीनेस कंट्री एंड इंडियाज रैंक इज़ 149 फ्रॉम लास्ट टू 139। सो पहले इंडिया का रैंक 139 पे था, अभी 149 पे आ गया है वर्ल्ड हैप्पीनेस कंट्री में, और फिनलैंड फर्स्ट रैंक पे है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, व्हेन इज इंटरनेशनल फॉरेस्ट डे सेलिब्रेटेड? द आंसर इज द 20 मार्च। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिपोर्ट रिलीज बाय जुटबाय विच कंट्री इज सेफेस्ट रोड इन द वर्ल्ड? द आंसर इज द नॉर्वे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, विच स्टेट हैज स्टार्टेड 1000 डे कैंपेन अगेंस्ट malnutrition and anemia? The answer is the Jharkhand. Question number 19, which state has started Gram Ujala program? The answer is the Bihar. Question number 20, which state government will set up 100 nursery academy to attract children to sport? The answer is the Rajasthan. Question number 21, which country has made Enthusia COVID-19 law? The answer is the Spain. Question number 22, according to study of military direct, which country is made of the most powerful army in the world? The answer is the China. In this, India is the 4th number. Question number 23, according to the recent report, which is the only Asian currency has strengthened? The answer is the rupee. Question number 24, Chief Minister Chiranjeevi Yojana has been started in which state on 21st May 2021? The answer is the Rajasthan by Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. Question number 25, which state assembly has passed public property damage recovery bill? The answer is the Haryana Legislative Assembly. Question number 26, India has developed its first indigenously developed app store. What is its name? The answer is the Mobile Service App Store. Question number 27, in which state या union territory will the Retli hydroelectric power station be set up? The answer is the Jammu Kashmir. 850 मेगावाट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोडक्शन जनरेट कर सकता है ये पावर स्टेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 28, Which coach factory of Indian Railway has introduced the first AC3 tier economy class coach? So answer is the Kapurthala. Question number 29. Who has launched the Jai Shakti Abhiyan Catch the Rain campaign on the occasion of the World Water Day? The answer is the Narendra Modi. On the 22 मार्च ये अभियान किया गया था, कैंपेन किया गया था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. हु हैज़ रिसीव द बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस ऑफ अवार्ड एट द नेशनल फिल्म अवार्ड? द आंसर इज द बेस्ट एक्टर अवार्ड दिया गया था मनोज बाजपेयी को, और बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस कंगना रनावत को धनुष फिल्म के लिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. इन विच कंट्री फ्रीडम पाइनएप्पल कैंपेन हैज़ बीन स्टार्टेड? द आंसर इज द ताइवान. Question number 32. Which organization has released the first volcano bond? The answer is the Danin Red Cross Society. Question number 33. Who has been awarded the Gandhi Peace Prize by the Ministry of Indian Culture for the year 2020? The answer is the Bagadendu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Question number 34. Which state farmer have started French fruit cake movement? The answer is the Maharashtra. Question number 35. Who has been made the Director General of CRF? The answer is the Kuldeep Singh. Question number 36. Which place has India ranked in the Global Home Price Index? The answer is the 56. और फर्स्ट रैंक पे है तुर्की. क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. Who has become the first state to have ethanol policy? The answer is the Bihar. Which actress has won the National Film Award 4 times? The answer is the कंगना रनावत. मणिकर्णिका जो पांगा में रोल किया था उसके लिए उनको अवार्ड दिया गया. Who has been selected for the International Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2019? तो सुल्तान कबूस बिन सैद अल सैद. Question number 40. Which medal has Ashwini Diwal won in the International Shooting Sport Federation World Cup final? The answer is the gold medal. Question number 41. Who will be honored with the Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2020? The answer is the Asa Bhosle. Question number 42. Who is the author of the book My Experiment with Silence? The answer is the Samir Soni. Question number 43. What is India ranked in the International Intellectual Property Index? The answer is the 40. Question number 44. When is the World Theatre Day celebrated? The answer is the 27 March. 27 मार्च को World Theatre Day सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. Question number 45. Kurnool Airport has been inaugurated recently in which state? The answer is the आंध्र प्रदेश. आंध्र प्रदेश में कर्नूल एयरपोर्ट रिसेंटली सेटअप किया गया है. Question number 46. Who has become the president of the Airport Authority of India? The answer is the Sanjeev Kumar. Question number 47. In which state the formal indigenous language knowledge system school has been inaugurated? The answer is the Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 48. Which Indian climber have recently held a 24-hour record on Kilimanjaro, the highest peak of the African continent? The answer is the Rohtas Khilleri or Anu Yadav. Question number 49. Which Indian organization has performed for the first time the free space quantum communication? The answer is the ISRO. Question number 49 खत्म हो गया. Okay, question number 50. Fitch Rating has raised India's growth forecast for the next financial year 2021-22 to what percentage? The answer is 12.8%. Question number 51. The Union Cabinet has approved the Memorandum of Cooperation (MOC) between India and which country in the field of water resources? The answer is the Japan. Question number 52. Who has established the committee sake of permanent external advisor? The answer is the RBI. Question number 53. Which state chief minister has launched Meri Suraksha Mera Mask campaign? The answer is the Madhya Pradesh. Question number 54. In which state Union Territory 73 IOS health and welfare center have been inaugurated? The answer is the Jammu Kashmir. Question number 55. Which banks India's based by Asia Money selected as SAME bank? The answer is the HDFC Bank. Question number 56. Which state government has organized Banana Mahotsav? The answer is the उत्तर प्रदेश. उत्तर प्रदेश के कौशीनगर में ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया था बनाना महोत्सव. Question number 57. Which organization has proposed to create a digital green certificate? The answer is the European Union. Question number 58. Which state government has started as देखो अपना राज्य अभियान? The answer is the Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 59. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation DGCA has honored the cancellation of all international flights by the date by 31st April. Question number 60. Chitra Nayak has been appointed as the independent director of which company? The answer is the Infosys. Question number 61. DRDO has successfully tested which anti-satellite missile? The answer is the Mission Shakti missile. Question number 62. Which bank has released the World Development Report 2021? The answer is the World Bank. Question number 63. Who has launched the new version of Exam Warrior? The answer is the Narendra Modi. Question number 64. Which country topped the Gender Gap Index 2021 released by the WE World Economic Forum? The answer is the Iceland. Iceland is the top the Gender Gap Index which is released by the World Economic Forum. Question number 65. Which bank has announced the launch of contactless RuPay card? The answer is the Union Bank. Question number 66. Who has become the second girl from India to swim across the Falk Strait? The answer is the Shyamala Goli. Question number 67. Who has won the Bryan Grand Prix 2021? The answer is the Lewis Hamilton. Question number 68. 51 to be honored with Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2019. The answer is the superstar Rajnikant. So दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड 2019 सुपरस्टार रजनीकांत को देने का डिसाइड किया गया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 69. विच कंट्री वोल्केनो हैज़ इरप्टेड आफ्टर 900 years? The answer is the Iceland. Question number 70. When is the Utkal Divas or Odisha Day celebrated? The answer is the 1st April. Question number 71. US has suspended all trade relations with which country? The answer is the America. 72. UN Climate Change Summit COP26 to be held तो ग्लासगो स्कॉटलैंड में UN क्लाइमेट चेंज समिट हेल्ड किया गया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 73. विच कंट्री हैज सक्सेसफुली टेस्ट फायर ballistic missile Sahin A1? The answer is the Pakistan. Question number 74. When has International Children Books Day been celebrated recently? The answer is the 2nd April. Question number 75. Which lake will declare as protected wetland? The answer is the Dal Lake. Question number 76. How much does UNESCO forecast India's GDP growth for financial year 22? The answer is the 7%. Question number 77. Where has Paytm Money opened its research and development center? The answer is the Pune. Question number 78. When was the World Autism Awareness Day is observed on? तो 2nd April. Answer is the 2nd April. 2nd April को World Autism Awareness Day observed. Question number 79. Which country has registered the world's first COVID-19 vaccine for the animals? The answer is the Russia. Russia is the world's first COVID-19 vaccine for the animals. Question number 80. Recently, who became the first state in the country create 2 green energy efficiency? The answer is the Bihar. Question number 81. Recently, who has been appointed as the new leader of Amnesty International? The answer is the Agnesh Kalmart. Question number 82. The Income Tax Department has increased the time limit for linking PAN card with Aadhaar card from 31st March to which date? The answer is the 31st June. So इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट में आधार और पान लिंकिंग करने की डेट 31 मार्च से 31 जून तक एक्सटेंड कर दी है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 83. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान हैज़ रिमूव द बैन ऑन इम्पोर्ट ऑफ गुड्स विथ इंडिया. सो आंसर इज द शुगर एंड कॉटन का इम्पोर्ट पर से बैन हटाया गया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 84. विच कंट्री हैज़ प्रोवाइड अ ग्रांट इन एड ऑफ 800 करोड़ Nepalese rupees to Nepal under an MOU? The answer is the India. Question number 85. World Bank has increased India's GDP growth forecast for financial year 2021 to 22. What percentage? The answer is the 10.1%. Question number 86. A 25-year strategic cooperation agreement has been signed between China and which country? The answer is the Iran. ईरान और चाइना के बीच स्ट्रेटेजिक कोऑपरेशन एग्रीमेंट किया गया है 25 ईयर के लिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 87. जापान बैंक ऑफ इंटरनेशनल कोऑपरेशन हैज साइन बिलियन लोन एग्रीमेंट विथ विच इंडियन बैंक? द आंसर इज द SBI. सो जापान बैंक ने SBI के साथ इंटरनेशनल कोऑपरेशन बिलियन लोन एग्रीमेंट साइन किया गया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 88. रिसेंटली वेयर वॉज द इनॉग्रेशन ऑफ आनंद द सेंटर फॉर हैप्पीनेस? द आंसर इज द IIM जम्मू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 89. हु रॉट द बुक पोर्ट्रेट ऑफ पावर? द आंसर इज द NK सिंह. NK सिंह ने पोर्ट्रेट ऑफ पावर बुक लिखी है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 90. फर्स्ट इंडियन एयरपोर्ट टू बी एंटायरली सोलर पावर बाय EAI, एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया. द आंसर इज द पौंडीचेरी एयरपोर्ट. सो पौंडीचेरी एयरपोर्ट इज फुल्ली सोलर पावर से कर दिया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 91. Which is the first state to launch the tree transplantation policy? The answer is the Delhi government. Delhi government is the first state to launch the tree transplantation policy. Question number 92. G7 has refused to recognize criminal tribunal done by which country? The answer is the Russia. Question number 93. Hero Motor Company has established its global headquarters from country? The answer is the London. Question number 94. Which country will propose legislation banning cryptocurrency? The answer is the India. Question number 95. Who has become the first woman powerlifter of Kashmir? The answer is the Saima Ubaid. Saima Ubaid is the first woman who become the powerlifter of the Kashmir. Question number 96. Where is Maharaja Chhatral Convention Center inaugurated? The answer is the मध्य प्रदेश. मध्य प्रदेश के खजुराहो में महाराजा छत्रसाल कन्वेंशन सेंटर इनोग्रेट किया गया. आंसर खत्म. क्वेश्चन नंबर 97. हु हैज़ वन द इंटरनेशनल रेंजर अवार्ड? द आंसर इज द महेंद्र गिरी. महेंद्र गिरी ने इंटरनेशनल रेंजर अवार्ड जीता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 98. Who has announced the ban on the British individual and institution? The answer is the China. China is banned on the British individual and institution. Question number 99. Who is going to become the first state with the maximum international airport? The answer is the उत्तर प्रदेश. So उत्तर प्रदेश में सबसे ज़्यादा मैक्सिमम इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट हो गए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 100. हु इज अपॉइंटेड चेयरपर्सन ऑफ PSB? द आंसर इज द मल्लिका श्रीनिवासन. सो मल्लिका श्रीनिवासन इज अपॉइंटेड चेयरपर्सन ऑफ द PSB. सो ये थे इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर ऑफ द मार्च 2021.